In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place and modify trades on TradingView. By the end, you'll have your broker connected, place a trade from the chart, and confidently adjust, cancel, and monitor your orders and positions in TradingView. First, connect your broker. Click Trading Panel at the bottom of TradingView. In the panel that opens, select your broker from the list, then log in using your broker credentials. Wait until you see a connected status so TradingView can place orders through your account. Next, open an order ticket. On the chart, click the plus button to open the ticket. You can also right-click on the chart to bring up the same ticket, or use the buy or sell buttons in the top left of the chart. Any of these options opens the order ticket so you can place a trade directly from your current chart view. Or now configure the order. In the order ticket, choose the order type. Market sends the order immediately at the current available price. Limit places the order at a specific price you choose. Stop triggers a buy or sell once the price crosses the stop level you set. Stop limit triggers at your stop price and then submits a limit order at your chosen limit price. After selecting the order type, set the quantity or position size according to your plan. Then define optional risk controls. Set a take profit, often called TP, which is the target price where you want to close the trade in profit, and set a stop loss, or SL, which is the protective price where you want the trade to close if it moves against you. Double-check the side, price, and quantity before continuing. Submit the order. Click the buy or sell button in the ticket to place it. You'll see the order appear on your chart and in the trading panel at the bottom. Market orders will fill immediately. Pending orders like limit, stop, or stop limit will wait until price reaches your levels. Now we'll move to modifying and managing trades. Use drag and drop to adjust price levels quickly. On the chart, find the horizontal order line for your pending order, TP or SL. Click and hold the line, then drag it up or down to your new price level. Release to set it. This is a fast way to refine your entry, target, or stop directly from the chart. You'll see the updated price reflected immediately. Use the Edit panel to make precise changes. Click the gear icon on the order line on your chart to open its settings. Alternatively, open the Trading panel at the bottom, go to the Positions tab and click the gear icon next to the position or order you want to edit. From here, adjust your take profit, stop loss, or quantity. Review the changes, then confirm to update the order. This method is helpful when you need exact values or want to modify multiple fields at once. To cancel an order, click the X next to the order in the trading panel. This immediately removes the pending order, so it will no longer execute. If the order was visible on the chart, the line disappears as well. Canceling is safe if you no longer want that order to trigger. Finally, monitor your trades. View active positions and pending orders directly on the chart as labeled lines, and track them in the trading panel at the bottom. From here you can see what's open, what's waiting, and quickly access the gear icon or X when you need to adjust or cancel. Keep the panel open while you trade so you always have a clear snapshot of your current exposure. That's the complete process for how to place and modify trades on TradingView. Your connection, order placement, editing, cancelling, and monitoring are now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.